Hi! In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this Vivo. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Applications and Permissions. Now tap on App Clone and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, like Facebook. Then click on Home button. So now when I check, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete it, you need to access the same settings and get rid of your clone by tapping on the same no blue switcher. Lastly, confirm your choice by choosing OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!